holiday family friends and viewers from across the world. Joe Jones is back on the road. But first, let me show you something real quick that CR England didn't teach us that. They just give you the basic, but I'm going to show you the uncouple, which we're attaching to a trailer. So the basic is where we just lined up the fifth wheel with the center of the trailer, and then we just back up in there. Make sure the fifth wheel, there's no gap between your apron and your fifth wheel. And then another thing that I want you to look at is, see the shank? That right there is a shank. That's a shank locked around the kingpin. So you got the kingpin and the shank. Okay? See, there's no gap between the apron and the fifth wheel. Okay? Your landing gears are partially up. Just do the pre-trip. Make sure the tires, lug nuts, and everything is on. There's nothing suspiciously broke or something, you know. Right now we're doing it on a Swift, but you will get to learn this once you're with your mentor. And then the landing gear sometimes is on the passenger side, and sometimes it's on the driver's side. So this one, if we go clockwise, yep, it's going down. So we go counterclockwise, you're raising up. Counterclockwise, raising up the leg. Yep, but right now we're not doing that because we're not taking this yet. Yep, this is not the one that I'm waiting for. And then the handle, it's on. You see, it's all the way through. That's on. And we're just gonna go around real quick. And then get yourself a good pair of gloves. And I got these at Walmart for like 2 for $5. 2 pairs. These are cowhide. They're really good. It's a little windy, so hopefully you can hear me out. What you do is the blue line, the blue is the service line. So what you do is, you see that there? See that? And then just, it's like a hook. Yeah, at the same time, see how it hooks? And then, there you go. Right on there. And same thing here. Same thing with the red. See that? It's like a crisscross. You crisscross it. This is not on there, right? There you go, crisscross. It's like a crisscross. Lock on it. The power's on there, boom. And there you go. And they're set. So what you do is, after you do that, you start up your truck. Start up your truck. And then what you do is you set this one, which is the trailer emergency brake. There it is. And then you just come on here and you look for a leak. Nope, no leak. It's not leaking. Not cracked, bent, or broken, not leaking. Alright? And then when you drop it, pull it. Okay? So because we're taking this back, we're gonna vice versa it. We're gonna vice versa it. So put your glove back on, then the handle, pull it. There it is. See how it came all the way through? Pull it. And then, see the shank? Shank is gone. All you see is the kingpin. So you're ready to release. Now remember always to make sure that your landing gears are all the way down. Now these latches, sometimes the release handles are on your driver's side. CR Englands are on the driver's side. Almost every other truck is on the passenger side, which makes it a lot easier for a driver, because once you get off your truck, all you got to do is just pull the handle. So then, power cord, same thing. It's like a crisscross. See that? Pull it up, it releases. Pull it up, releases. And then back here, you can put your power. Has where to put it. And then your emergency line. just put it away. That's what I do. Yep, that's just the basic of coupling and uncoupling. And then what you do is, get in your truck, close your door, start the truck up. Steering wheel, you can adjust your steering wheel. See that kick right there? Kick it, and it releases. You can push it up or down. See, this is adjustable. Yep, adjustable. So pretty much I got it to where I liked it. And then your neutral, drive, release your brake. We're not connected to the trailer, so releasing the brake. Pull away. Pull away slowly. You know it's not gonna drop because your landing gear is down. Then with brake set, neutral, turn off your truck. And there it is. That air leak, those are your airbags. So the pressure and the weight of the container, that's why it's just building back pressure. So your fifth wheel, nice and keep it nice and greasy. All right, people. So that's it. I mean, CR England, they don't really show you how to couple and uncouple of the truck. You have to learn that yourself with your trainer or your mentor. Okay, so keep guys. I don't know where you're from, but it's a heat wave going on right now, and just keep warm, man. Keep warm. Actually keep hydrated. You know, and keep your air conditioner on. So I pretty much run my fuel, you know, my trucks is diesel. So these are economic in fuel, especially the automatics. So so there it is, man. And hopefully it'll put you on the road and start doing your own. So once you're on your own, you know what to expect. Okay. So don't forget to flash ABC, drive safe. I love y'all. God bless y'all. I'll keep you posted. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.